So in this column, I want to combine the name and the date of birth, but the date of birth will have to be in between brackets. So Ella Rose, our favorite, bracket, she was born in 1990. I cross the bracket, hit on enter, then Ctrl E. So I want to make these values presentable by adding a space in between every 3 numbers. So Ctrl copy, I paste it here, and then I want a space between that number and the other, and then another space after another 3. So now I have a space in between them. Ctrl E, and the pattern will replicate all the way down. So in our list here, we have the first and the second name, but in my second list here, I want them to start with the second name and end with the first name. So start with a Rose, L, like that, enter, then Ctrl E. So I want to create a text which will remind these people of the due date of their invoices. So I'll start with Dear Rose, your invoice is due on, now the date, 11/7/2022. Hit on enter, then Ctrl E to fill everything else. So here we have Grace and the due date. So I want to use these names to create emails for each and every person, and also a password which will accompany that email. e.rose@techytonics.com, enter, Ctrl E. As for the passwords, I can use the initials, ER@2021, Ctrl E, and there you have very strong passwords. I'm going to use a shortcut to join these 2 names to form the full name and also extract their initials. Ella Rose, like that, enter, then Ctrl E. Their initials, we have E, and then we have R, enter, Ctrl E. So in this column, we have date and time within the same cell, and I want to separate them. So I start with the date, enter, Ctrl E, the time, enter, Ctrl E. I'm going to use a very popular shortcut to separate these names. Ella, enter, Ctrl E, Rose, enter, Ctrl E. I have emails and I want to extract the names. So Ella, Rose, enter, Ctrl E, and I have all the names. Instead of using formulas to change the case for these names, how about we just use a shortcut? So for the uppercase, I just type in uppercase, enter, then Ctrl E. For the lowercase, I type in lowercase, then Ctrl E. So for the proper case, I just capitalize the first letter, enter, Ctrl E.